Welcome back to my channel, you guys. And if you are new here, welcome to the Zion's Nest. Today, you guys, I'm excited. I'm cooking. Like I promised y'all, I'm cooking. So, period. But yes, you guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these crispy fish nuggets. And if you are vegan like me who have a seafood craving, this is definitely a good dish for you. So, if you're interested, make sure you continue watching. So, the first thing I'm going to do is, of course, make sure you rinse your vegetables because y'all know vegetables could be dirty. Like, they're dirty. So I'm going to jump straight into just cutting them. Depending on how small you want your nuggets to be, you can do them in twos or you can do them in fours. It's totally up to you. But I think I mixed mine, so I did both. So now I'm going to heat up my oil. Of course, you know, the oil got to be ready, and make sure you check your oil before you start frying as well. So this is the fish fry I am using, you guys. Of course, don't worry about the video going fast because I'm going to be listing everything below. But make sure you get the correct fish fry and make sure that that brand is vegan. So for my liquid base, I'm going to be mixing vegetable broth with just egg liquid. And I'm going to mix it together and get like a nice little consistency, you know. Then, to be honest, y'all, I'm a little extra. I like extra spices and stuff in my food. But this fish fry bag is actually totally fine without anything added. I'm just extra. So I just added extra stuff in mine, but you really don't need to add anything. So this is how it's looking so far. It's looking good, looking good. Yes. So then I'm just going to mix in my seasonings together. And like I said earlier, I'm going to definitely list everything below so you guys don't have to worry about that at all. But yeah, so then at first, you guys, I started to make the batter, like try to make everything look all neat and fancy. I don't got time. Literally after this, y'all gonna see I started going ham with my hands because who got time to be frying one little piece like this? But I just wanted to show you guys the consistency of the batter and how it should pretty much look on the outside, because clearly I like to double mine up because that piece of the mushroom was so kind of thick. I wanted to make sure I had enough batter overall on the mushroom so it can kind of look like, you know, all around full and crispy. So yeah, so I hope you guys liking this video so far. I know you guys begged me and wanted me to cook, so I'm cooking. So here I am. But yeah, like let me tell y'all, these things came out so tasty and delicious. But yeah, this is how it should look. Look at that. Look at all nice. So like I said, y'all, look, I said I ain't got time. And yes, of course, I washed my hands. So don't try to play me and don't try to comment nothing below because I was making sure my hands was clean. Actually, I washed my hands multiple times with me having long nails. But anywho, I started to fry them. I do test my oil, you guys, and by testing your oil, you just throw a little bit of flour in there and you should be able to see if the oil is ready. So this is looking good. It's looking good already. Like, yo, I was so excited to eat these after, for real, like seriously. But we're just gonna let that fry and y'all can hear it sizzling. Yes, get into it. But so far, you guys, this is how it was coming out. Let me tell y'all, this is such a easy, quick vegan dish. I would honestly call this like a little appetizer, to be honest, for real. Like, they came out so golden and crispy, y'all. So right after that, I let them sit out for a little bit so that I make sure, like, you know, the oils is off. But I did put some Parmesan cheese on top and stuck it in the oven. You guys should put it in the oven for like just a little bit. I would say like for 2 minutes on broil, so it can like melt a little bit depending on how crispy or melted you want your cheese to be. It's literally at your discretion. But y'all, this is the sauce I am making, and the base I'm using is Vegenaise. I'm literally mixing Vegenaise, paprika, sugar, and I put garlic and onion powder as well in it. It's literally like the vegan version of Thousand Island sauce. I also added some ketchup as well in it. Let me tell y'all, this sauce was so good. It had like a little sweetness. That's why I added a little bit of sugar, because I felt like with that savory taste of the fish nuggets, I had to have a sweet sauce on the side. And listen, y'all, it came out so freaking good. And to be honest, I never liked regular Thousand Island sauce in the past, but this is good. It turned out so, so good. So I'm just mixing it together or whatever. And yeah, so this is how it looked when it came out the oven, the fish nuggets, you guys. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, vegan cheese is really hard to melt down, but it came out so delicious. And this is the voila, this is the magic. So yes, thank you guys for watching my quick little video of my Parmesan fish nuggets. It came out amazing. So make sure you guys stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.